Is your Wi-Fi at home slow? Not sure what is causing it? Today I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why that your Wi-Fi may be slower than it should be. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring this resource to you. So, one reason that your Wi-Fi might be slow is your router may not be in an optimal position in your home. So basically what that means is having your router in the middle of your home as possible is probably the best place to do it. Of course, being close to the router is the best way to have a great signal also. Having your router in a central location will help you to get the Wi-Fi signal from your router with less obstruction. So the best way to fix this, if you're just not having strong enough signal, is either move closer to your router or try to relocate it to a central area of your home. Another reason why your Wi-Fi might be slow is you may have too much signal congestion. Basically, that means you have too many Wi-Fi signals or connected device that cause interference. If you live in a busy area with lots of neighbors close by, or maybe in an apartment building with people living around you, your Wi-Fi might be slower because of other wireless internet signals in the same broadcasting range as yours. Other electronic devices can cause interruptions to your Wi-Fi signal if your router is an older model. Wi-Fi signals broadcast at 2.4 gigahertz frequency, and some electronics like microwaves, Bluetooth, or even Christmas lights operate on similar frequencies, and sometimes that can cause interference with your Wi-Fi signal. So one way that you can fix this is to change your Wi-Fi channel. And I have put a YouTube link at the bottom of this page. There's a great video on there on how to change it. If you just went to YouTube and you typed in how to change your wireless channel, it will take you to that video. So I have put the link, but that's kind of a long link to follow. And if you just went to YouTube and typed that in, you should find the same video if you wanted to give that a try. The other thing that could cause this is using programs that use up a lot of your bandwidth. So say you have a gamer in the house, or you're using video streaming services or downloading large files like pictures and videos, it really uses up a lot of bandwidth. So if you have someone that's playing games online or doing this and you're trying to do too many things at one time, and especially if you have an old router, this may cause some of these issues for that. So keep that in mind when you have issues like that. The third one is Wi-Fi thieves. So if you have a password that is easy to guess, or maybe you don't even have a Wi-Fi password on your network, it's important to put a complex password on your internet connection to prevent other people from accessing it. I do have a tutorial down at the bottom. It is from Tech Boomers, which is a great website for information, and it will walk you through how to change your Wi-Fi password. So even if you just went to techboomers.com and type in change Wi-Fi password, it will walk you through all the steps on how to fix your password or change the settings of your password to make sure that it is safe. The last thing is your Wi-Fi router or device might be old or out of date. So you can guess that older routers might not be able to run as fast as the newer models that are available now. So the newer Wi-Fi routers have increased bandwidth and a wider range of frequencies to transmit signals, and that will help your internet run faster. Also, if you have a newer smartphone or computer, they have better processors, meaning that they can run the information faster than older devices. So you might need to look into replacing your Wi-Fi router with a newer model. I hope that these tips helped you and you are up and running some fast internet at home.